you guys doing tonight? Basically, I'm here just to show you once again Blizzard's support numbers. Are unusual somewhat. I'm going to be making my calls on a Cisco IP phone 7960. It's just a basic $100 unit. So you'll hear some strange dial-out numbers. I'll have to dial 0 before I get an outside line, things like that. The first number I'm going to give a call is the US Accounts and Billings. It's basically a 1-800 number, so I'll give this a shot.
Access to the 800 number you have dialed is not free of charge outside the United States. If answered, you will be charged at international direct dialing rates for the call. If you do not wish to proceed with this call, please hang up now.
Okay, so that number is basically engaged. I'll give the US Technical Support direct number. And again, another number that's engaged. Now I'll try the Australian Direct for Accounts and Billings.
The number you called could not be reached. Please try again in a few minutes. If after a number of attempts you are still unsuccessful, please call 1221 for assistance. This has been a free call. A2. The number you called could not be reached.
As you can see, that number is also somewhat not contactable on. The number I've used here tonight I've got from the Blizzard website at us.blizzard.com/en-us/company/about/contact.html. The number for the US Accounts and Billings I've dialed is 1-800-592-5499, not including country code. The US Technical Support number I've called is 1949-955-1382, not including country code. And the Australian number I've called is 1-800-041-378. I've been trying probably since about 11 PM my time, and it's now 3 AM, maybe every 15 minutes or so, and I've just been getting that all night. It's not the first that it's happened, but I decided this time, since no one seems to really believe that, they're uncontactable at some times of the morning and night, their phones just somehow stop working, here's pure evidence to prove it. Thanks.